What if your bike refuses to start when you need it most? Today, we review the best portable jump starter for motorcycle riders. Discover mini jump packs, high-capacity boosters, and reliable power banks. We compare peak amps, safety features, and ease of use. Keep watching to avoid roadside stress completely. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best portable jump starter for motorcycles. Let's get started. 1. NOCO Boost GB40 1000 amp UltraSafe Jump Starter. NOCO Boost GB40 is a simple and reliable jump starter made for everyday riders. It delivers 1000 amps of peak power, which is enough to start most motorcycles quickly. Even if your battery is weak or dead, it brings your bike back in seconds. The unit is small, so you can carry it in a bag or store it under the seat. Safety is one of its best features. It has spark-proof clamps and reverse polarity protection, so you can connect it without stress. The design is clean, and the buttons are easy to use, even for beginners. It also works as a power bank, letting you charge your phone or GPS during long rides. There's a built-in LED flashlight, which helps in dark or low-light situations. The battery holds a charge for a long time, so it stays ready when needed. The NOCO Boost GB40 price usually ranges from $90 to $120. Verdict: the best jump starter for riders who want a compact, safe, and easy jump starter for daily use. 2. GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor gives you strong performance and extra help on the road. It delivers 3000 amps of peak power, which is more than enough for motorcycles and even bigger engines. If your bike battery dies, this unit can bring it back fast without hassle. The built-in air compressor adds real value. It can inflate tires up to 150 psi, which is perfect for fixing low pressure during a ride. You don't need a separate pump, which saves time and space. The auto shutoff feature keeps inflation safe and easy. It also works as a power bank, so you can charge your phone or other devices. The display is bright and simple, making it easy to check battery levels. The build feels solid, and it's still portable enough for travel. The GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter price usually ranges from $120 to $160. Verdict: a great jump starter choice for riders who want both jump starting power and tire inflation in one device. 3. BuTure VAC 10-in-1 Car Battery Jump Starter 8000 amps. The BuTure VAC 10-in-1 Car Battery Jump Starter is made for riders who want strong power and extra features in one unit. It delivers up to 8000 amps, which can start almost any motorcycle in seconds. Even if your battery is fully drained, this device handles it with ease. It also includes a 160 psi air compressor, so you can quickly fix low tire pressure during a ride. You get more than just a jump starter. There is a fast 45-watt charging port for phones and gadgets. The bright LED light helps during night use or emergencies. A clear display shows battery levels and status, which keeps things simple. The design feels solid, but is still portable enough to carry on trips. This unit works well for long rides where you need extra backup tools. The BuTure VAC 10-in-1 Car Battery Jump Starter price usually ranges from $130 to $180 depending on availability. Verdict: a great jump starter option for riders who want high power and multiple features in one compact device. 4. GS300 Car Jump Starter 3000A. The GS300 Car Jump Starter 3000A is a smart pick for riders who want solid power without extra weight. It delivers 3000 amps, which is enough to start most motorcycles quickly. Even if your battery is fully drained, this unit can bring it back in seconds. It works well for daily rides and longer trips where battery problems can happen. It also includes USB quick charge support, so you can power your phone or GPS when needed. Safety is another strong point. It protects against overcharge, short circuits, and wrong connections. The unit is lightweight and comes with a storage case, making it easy to carry anywhere.
The price of the GS300 car jumpstarter usually ranges from $80 to $120. Verdict: a great jumpstarter option for riders who want reliable performance, simple use, and good value.
Number 5. NACKEO Car Battery Jump Starter with Air Compressor 8000A. The car jump starter with air compressor by NACKEO is built for riders who want strong output and added convenience. It delivers up to 8,000 amps, which easily starts any motorcycle in seconds. Even a completely dead battery won't slow it down. This makes it a reliable tool for both daily use and long trips. It also includes a 160 psi air compressor, which helps you fix low tire pressure anytime. This is very useful during travel, as you don't need a separate pump. This jump starter comes with a large LCD display that shows battery status clearly. The design feels strong, but is still portable enough to carry. The NACKEO jump starter price usually ranges from $110 to $170. Verdict: the best jump starter for riders who want high power, tire inflation, and multi-use features in one device. Number 6. AUXITO 6000A Jump Starter. The AUXITO 6000A Jump Starter is made for riders who need strong power in a simple design. It delivers up to 6,000 amps, which easily starts motorcycles and larger engines. The design is clean and user-friendly. It features a bright LED display that shows battery level and status clearly. You also get a built-in flashlight with 3 modes, which helps during night use or emergencies. The controls are simple, so even new users can handle it without trouble. It also works as a power bank for charging phones and small devices. The build feels solid, and it comes with a storage case for easy carrying. Safety features protect against short circuits and wrong connections. The AUXITO 6000A jump starter price usually ranges from $100 to $150. Verdict: a great jump starter choice for riders who want high power, simple controls, and reliable performance.
7. Carropecas Jump Starter with Air Compressor 4000A. The Carropecas Jump Starter with Air Compressor is a practical choice for riders who want both power and convenience. It delivers 4,000 amps, which is enough to start most motorcycles without delay. Even if your battery is low or dead, it can get your bike running again quickly. This makes it useful for daily use and road trips. It also includes a 150 psi air compressor, which helps keep your tires in good shape. You can use it as a power bank to charge phones or small devices. The built-in LED light helps in dark conditions. It feels compact and easy to carry on rides. The Carropecas Jump Starter price usually ranges from $90 to $140. Verdict: an ideal jump starter for riders who want a simple, multi-use device with good power and tire support. Which portable jump starter for a motorcycle should you buy? Your choice depends on your needs and riding style. If you want something simple and compact, the NOCO Boost GB40 is a great pick. It is easy to use and perfect for daily riders. For more features, the GOOLOO A3 stands out. It gives you strong jumpstart power plus a built-in air compressor, which is useful on long rides. If you want maximum power and tools, go for the portable 10-in-1 8000A or NACKEO 8000A. These models handle almost any roadside problem. On a budget, the GS300 3000A offers good performance at a lower price. The AUXITO 6000A is another solid option with strong power and a simple design. The Carropecas 4000A is great if you want both jump starting and tire inflation.